What are you doing, Ben? You walking on a little hole? That's funny.
And it makes your feet dirty.
You guys gotta stop digging all these holes out here, okay?
Okay.
Making a yard all messy.
We're not the one that's digging the hole. We're doing the next hole.
Those boots are working still?
Yes.
Cool. Oregon State. I think you have Michigan State ones too.
Are they clean or dirty?
I don't remember. They're in the house.
Dirty. Go to the next tunnel. This one's are really clean.
Whoa, go slow. You don't want it to trip up.
Let's see if it's clean. Clean or dirty?
Clean.
Correct!
Correct. You are the winner.